In this video, you'll learn how to schedule an interview on Calendly in a clear, simple way from start to finish. By the end, you'll have a professional interview link that you can send directly to candidates, and they'll be able to book a time that works for both of you without all the back and forth emails. First, make sure you're signed in to your Calendly account and you're on your main dashboard. This is where all of your event types are managed. At the top of the page, look for the button labeled Create with a plus symbol next to it. Go ahead and click that button. From the options that appear, choose Event Type. This tells Calendly that you want to set up a new kind of meeting that people can book with you. Next, you'll be asked what kind of event you want to create. For an interview, you typically want it to be just between you and one candidate at a time, so select the one-on-one option. This ensures that each interview slot can only be booked by a single person, which keeps your schedule organized and prevents multiple candidates from choosing the same time. Now it's time to name your event. In the event name field, type interview followed by the position title. For example, you might use interview marketing manager or interview software engineer. Using a clear and specific title makes it easy for candidates to understand exactly what the meeting is about, and it also keeps your own Calendly dashboard tidy, especially if you're hiring for several roles at once. After naming the event, you'll need to set how and where the interview will take place. Look for the option that says Add a location and click it. Here you'll see several choices. Since most interviews are done virtually, select your preferred video conferencing tool such as Zoom or Google Meet. Once you pick your tool, Calendly can automatically generate unique meeting links for each scheduled interview, which helps avoid confusion and saves you from creating manual links for every candidate. With your location set, click Continue to move on to the scheduling details. One of the most important settings here is the duration. This is how long each interview will last. Look for the duration field and set it to the length you prefer, for example, 45 minutes. Choosing a realistic duration helps you avoid back-to-back overload and gives you a buffer between meetings if needed. If you usually need a few minutes to take notes or prepare for the next candidate, keep that in mind when selecting the time. Once your duration is set, review the basic details you've entered, the event name, the one-on-one format, the video conferencing location, and the length of the interview. When everything looks right, save your changes. Calendly will now create this event type for you. After saving, you'll see an option to share this interview event with others. Copy the scheduling link that Calendly provides. This is the link you'll send to interviewees. You can paste it into an email, add it to a message, or include it in your applicant tracking system. When candidates click this link, they'll see your available times and can choose a slot that works for them. As soon as they book, both you and the candidate will receive a confirmation and your calendar will be updated automatically. That's all you need to do to schedule an interview on Calendly and share it with your interviewees.